Do it on the way back.
Ooh! We done made it, y'all. We out here in Florida. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.
You know you're wrong, right?
Oh, you're working. What the? When you rich, you become a target. Yeah. Yes, sir. Good road trips. Yeah, I put them on my side. Yes, sir. Told them that I got it, then I give my nigga my mama knows. Palm trees, vibes, jet skis. Y'all see it? Y'all know where we at, man. Y'all know what's going on. We ain't that, yeah, that big body, wide body. Palm tree vibes. Yes, sir. We done made it to the B&B. We ain't gonna blur out no addresses and none of that, cause y'all, yeah, by the time this drop, it ain't even gonna matter. We got them out though. SB, still broke, not real broke. Y'all see it at the bottom. Duh. Woo! Let's go. B&B, MTV Cribs. Bathroom, yeah, we outside. Yes, sir, Skate. Another room, it's another room straight back there. Master, living room, kitchen, yeah. Stop playing, garage. Bike's about to be in here loaded, don't worry about it. We gonna pop out, washer and dryer in here. Ish. Let's go out back. Vibes, a little grill over there. I don't think the bikes can get in through there. I think it's blocked off. We might have to bring them through the crib if anything, but luckily they got a garage, so we good on that. I think that's a little fire pit over there. Oh no, this gate open right here. So we can bring them back. Oh snap, look at that fat ass lizard on the gate. He got moving. He like, what you doing out here, bro?
Do it on the way back.
Ooh! We done made it, y'all. We out here in Florida. We litty. And know how we slide the whole way. Yeah. Yes, sir, Skay. And you see my mic. Got the transmitter. Let's do it. Oh shit, I blurred it out, cameraman. Ooh! Get in there. Get in there. All right, when these come off, I'm gonna let y'all see.
Saving some weight off this bike.
Yeah, perfect. We get
Put it over here.
Last but not least.
who's like, oh, how the hell you slide? Niggas.
I got my feet start block too.
Just have your finger over just so we can. You ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Can you do that? Yep, I got it. Yo. Put that in the back, yeah. Yep, perfect. This is my parking spot. Come out like these. Get straight to it. Get straight to it. Look at that bitch so sexy! Yo, I hope y'all have seen all that. Here's the bike reveal. You dig? This is gonna be throughout the video, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I added this right here to protect my exhaust. I added this Impact Tech rail type deal. I got a quick release gas cap. Oh, drop the top. Literally. Yep. Them boys ready to ride. Them boys ready to ride. Them boys ready to ride. Sinner. Sinner. Carbon fiber. Just like that. He told him just like that. Niggas couldn't wait to pop out with no helmet. Niggas couldn't wait to pop out, no helmet. They said Florida rule laws like that. Right. Say less. We popping out. No helmets. Carbon fiber face, 0 gravity windscreen, new mirrors, because I did scratch it, new handlebar grips, lever guards, you know, brake guard, lever guard, same different brake, you know. Scratch that, replace that. This is still kind of scratched. That's the only thing. Other than that, we have a perfectly brand new bike. I scratched the tank, remember? So we went ahead and threw a tank cover, carbon fiber. quick release gas cap. You dig? Carbon fiber on the back. Remember, I scratched this piece too if y'all watch my video of the drop. And then my back seat bent up, so yeah, we went ahead and added the Impact Tech rail. Cause this right here, if you can look closely right here, see that scratch? It saved my bike like crazy. Saved my engine, everything. This is a $500 for this. I think $500 for this. That's $1,000. It's worth the investment. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir. This baby sexy though. I ain't gonna cap. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Perfect timing. Yeah. That's the SC project on there.
Yeah.
That shit sounds sexy. Oh, and it's he got the SC project too.
Yeah.
Oh, you niggas coming SC. I should have came SC. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, windscreen hard, mirrors hard. Hey, my boy doing his one too. Don't even trip on him. Young boy, but he outside with us. Stop playing with him. R1 ski on the way for twin. Don't even trip. This is beginner bike. Don't even trip.
Right about that shit.
Yeah, stop playing with him. Y'all see the nighttime? Y'all see the lights nighttime? Yeah. Leave him running. Leave him running. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I really did not get a video of me riding here because it was only 6 minutes from the B&B. But we out here. All the bikes out here. It's a park and chill. Here go my bike right here. It's dark. Dang, I didn't bring no flash or nothing. I finally got my mic so that way y'all can hear me. Burn out. Tire off the hinges. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Whole game pulled up crazy. Ooh, the CBR 1000 double R. Oh my God, this shit fire. With the Leo vents, yeah. Why didn't like 12 right there?
Oh, it's in here.
I think it's in here. That is 12.
Didn't they say no burnout?
Exactly, they always say that. That is 12. Yeah, that's the sheriff. Knew it. The more you fuck around, you gonna find out. They over here at the wildin'. Ooh, that's a Ducati. Definitely $11.99. Ooh, the Alpine Star carbon fiber helmet. CF Moto. Yes, sir. All right, they wanna play? They wanna play?
Working up on the film at.
Say again?
Working up on the film at.
YouTube, Mr. Marcus. For sure.
Follow that shit up right now. I got you, my boy.
I'm about to go rev my shit since he wanna be funny. Let me go rev my shit since niggas wanna act like that. Don't worry, I got that same energy. Yeah, exactly. Since you want to rev your shit, today I got time. Sky, move from right there.
Back up, Sky.
Definitely. Hold on, I gotta.
Hold up, go ahead, son.
Nah, cause I gotta put it in. I gotta put it in neutral. He's about to say you taking too long. Yeah, if you have to, let me see, put it over here. I'm gonna get the flames off this bitch. We going up. Like that bitch won't blow. Like that bitch don't blow. Stop playing. Burn the house down. Fuck. Fuck.
in your ear. Right.
Okay. Pop it. Pop it. For shit show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Shit. Oh yeah, bro going crazy. Bro going crazy. Get the content.
Is you right here?
Yeah. Gang outside. We mob deep. We mob deep. Oh gang. Yeah.
It wasn't forever because we got down here today, but it took a while.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Stop playing. My fault, gang. Come on, we can walk. Yes, sir. We out here in Panama City, man. We done finally made it. First bike meet, first bike trip. Out here with the guys. We lit. I ain't gonna cap. They took the front of their shit off. He let all the intake. And he got a what's name on the side right there. He told me I think it's stopped. That's they got the race rail. They got everything I got on my bike. I ain't got that race rail, but I got the other one. Oh God, that's the same thing I got. Back piece, yep. And he ain't got the what's name? 6R, ZX-6R. He got no exhaust. He got the exhaust to lead. God damn. Facts, he just took the exhaust off. And he got his bell down here. Yeah, fact. This the half. I got the half a rail. He got the full piece type shit. Oh God, then I got that back piece. I just added to mine. Yeah, So cause he be stunting.
We should change our handlebars too.
Yeah, this
make them straight and shit like that. So
If he got the long range dominoes,
oh yeah. Oh God. He got the phone mount connected to the front of his windshield. Oh, this gotta be a 19 because look at the dash. You right. Oh, that Motor Combat shit hard. They got a little bit of color shift. This right here, changing the colors. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love this color, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, that Rari hard as fuck in the cut. So that bitch not nasty. Yes, sir. What's good, gang? You straight?
How was the drive?
It was smooth. You good, family?
Oh shit, what got in the game?
Chilling, you good?
Yeah, which park at, twin?
Over here by the bikes, over in the middle, like right in the middle, like a couple slots down. Definitely just look for the carbon fiber. This Rari so nasty.
On God, bro.
Oh my God, that bitch hard too.
On God.
Yeah, they coming crazy out here. Look at that.
Super over there.
No,
Come look at this raccoon.
I love it.
What is your name?
My name's Rocky.
Hello, Rocky.
Oh my God.
So cute.
Oh my God.
You gonna hold it right here?
I don't hold snakes, birds.
I'm just playing. You bet the fuck not.
Stupid ass, exactly. You thought she wasn't gonna hand it to you, goofy? Exactly.
She came too
You shouldn't-
fast. I would have got her if she slowed down.
She said, yeah, go ahead. You wanna grab me? Ooh, that's an M1000? Ooh, with the SE Project on here? Oh my God, this bitch so nasty. This bitch all carbon, oh shit. Oh my God, this bitch ill. Somebody goated, I can't cap. This bitch nasty. Carbon fiber down in here. Oh my God, this bitch fully carbon. I don't think it's a piece not on this bitch that ain't carbon. Is it stretched? I feel like it is. That seat hard too. Oh my God. Yeah. Quick release gas cap. Yeah. Goated. That bitch nasty. That bitch so nasty. That bitch so nasty. That bitch fully carbon.
And stretched.
Fully.
Seat cowl that was mounted on the back and it flew off last weekend after
Damn.
racing. I know, so now I got the seat on there.
This seat hard.
I made it, yeah. Made it? Yeah, crushed velvet. I
Damn.
bought foam and used a Dremel and cut it down, and then I used crushed
this shit all carbon fiber. Like nothing on here is not carbon. Like in here, out here, quick release gas cap. Oh my God, definitely. This that M1000. This the M1000, right?
Oh, it's the M package, yeah.
Yeah, sir. This me. This my dream bike. Nigga, stop playing. Nigga, I'm coming M, nigga. Oh my God, this bitch got cruise control. Oh my God, this bitch got everything. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.
You know you're wrong, right?
Oh, you're working. What the?